Nigel Farage, leader of Britain's anti-immigration reform UK party, said he is still friends with Elon Musk. Mr. Farage's comment came days after the Tesla boss criticized him and said that he doesn't have what it takes to lead his party. Farage said, "Of course we're friends. He just says what he thinks at any moment in time." On January 5th, Mr. Musk appeared to take a U-turn on his support for Nigel Farage. The Reform Party needs a new leader. Farage doesn't have what it takes, Musk wrote on his X platform. In his latest critical comment about UK politics. Farage had said that he was in talks with the Aztec billionaire regarding a potential big donation for his party, which helped the Labour Party return to power in the UK general election. Musk, on January 2nd, extended support to jailed British extremist agitator Tommy Robinson, thereby sparking a major disagreement with Nigel Farage. Why is Tommy Robinson in a solitary confinement prison for telling the truth? He should be freed, and those who covered up this travesty should take his place in that cell. Elon Musk wrote, Tommy Robinson was jailed in October 2024 after he admitted to committing contempt of court in a long-running libel case in connection with a Syrian refugee. Replying to Elon Musk's post, Nigel Farage wrote, "Well, this is a surprise. Elon is a remarkable individual, but on this I am afraid I disagree. My view remains that Tommy Robinson is not right for reform, and I never sell out my principles. But of course, the truth is Tommy Robinson's in prison not for that, but for contempt of court." Farage added, "But of course, the truth is Tommy Robinson's in prison not for that, but for contempt of court." Farage added,